Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can create Google Forms in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be first opening any browser that you have there in your device, either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So I'll be going with my Microsoft Edge. Now, once your browser is already open, please go to the Google homepage. And you can do that simply by typing here in the URL section google.com. Once you click on the google.com URL, you will now be brought to the Google homepage. So please make sure first that you have already signed in your Google account. And if you have, then just go directly to this icon, and that is the Google Apps. Now, once you click on that, you will get or you will be shown with all the applications that came from or that's from Google. Now, here we need to look for Google Forms, this one. And once you have already found it, just please make a click on that. So here you'll see several pre-made templates for event registrations, feedback forms, contact information, quizzes. You can also have party invite, and you can also click on this template gallery to see all other templates here. And then the next thing, if you want to start from scratch, you can also have this blank form here or this blank quiz if you want a quiz. So the next thing we need to do is to click on the default title and change it to something relevant. So if you have already now your form that you want, for example, you want to have this blank form first, if you want to start from scratch. Now here in the entitled form option or box, all you need to do is just to change it to something relevant like event feedback or whatever title that you want to add here. Let me just quickly add it. Now, once you have already added the title, the next thing is to do a changes with it. So if you want to bolden it, italize it, and if you want also to underline it, then you can do that simply by selecting the options here below. And then you can also have the description for your form. So you can add a description such as we are collecting feedback for a recent event or any feedback or any description that you want to add. So the next thing is to uh, add some questions here. You can have the full name. You can ask for the full name. And you can also select the answer type. So just select or make a click here in this drop down icon and then select the short answer option as the answer type. So to add more questions, you can also click the plus icon, this one. For example, you can also add here hobbies and then select short answer and then add more question. You can also have gender, and you can add for the options here. Just erase this and then you can add male. If you want to add another option, then just quickly click on that and then it automatically detected female. So you can also do these things in here, and you can also add sections and headings. If you want to group questions, click on the add section there, and then this one, add section, and then divide the form into parts. For example, you can have part A, the basic information, and part B, the event feedback. So you can also have this one. So this is the first section, and then this is the second section. So you can have this the uh, the personal information, and while this part is the event feedback. So you can also add headings to organize your questions better. So the next thing you need to do is to add images or videos. If you would like also to add images or videos, you can just do that simply by clicking this button here, add image, or you can just simply click on this add video also. So if you want to make questions required, then or mandatory, you can also enable the required option. This one. You can also enable this by just clicking the toggle key here, and then once you see that it turned purple or any color, it's not grayed out, that means it's turned on. So this ensures users must answer the question before submitting the form. So for the responses, responses from users will be displayed in the responses tab, this one. And you can also choose to collect email addresses or allow users to change their responses. There are options to limit responses to one person, show a progress bar, and add a custom confirmation message your response has been recorded. So you can also customize the theme. Just click on this icon here. And then once you do that, you will now be able to have the text style, the header. If you want to choose for an image, then you can click on this choose image, and then you can now select for the themes, whether you want work and school, illustration, so whatever theme that you want. And you can also do that, and you can also have the background color change. So you can customize the look of the form by clicking on this theme button, and this allows you to change colors and a background image or even the company logo. So once you're done, all you need to do is just to click on this publish here, and you can either send the form via email or copy the link, this one, to share it on social media and or embed it to your website. So the link can be shorted for AC sharing also. And when someone submits a form, the responses will appear here in the responses tab. So you can just view a summary of the responses or export them to a Google Sheets document for further analysis. So Google Form is a powerful tool for creating and managing forms. So whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or organizing events, Google Forms offers an easy-to-use platform to customize and share forms with respondents. So, if you found this video helpful and if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.